This little mini electric precision screwdriver is pretty cool. The Xcool mini electric screwdriver drill. So I got a little tiny Phillips bit in here. We got us an old servo in my hand here. Boy, just backed it right on out. And a little tiny drill bit. Let me show you this thing, guys. It's pretty dang nifty. Just a quick one here, guys. I want to do a little second thoughts on this Xcool little electric precision screwdriver set. It's a mini drill, mini screwdriver. It comes with all kinds of bits and more bits back there. And you can see I'm holding it like this and they're not falling out. That's one of the coolest things, is that it's a magnetic tray. It comes with these tweezers to help you get your bits out. Now listen when I lay it back in the tray. Click. The little mini screwdriver charges while it's laying in the cradle. Those little electric pins right there. And the USB-C is right there. This slides into a metal case. When you want your tools out, press the button. Case comes out. Let's drill a little hole with it and then we'll put a screwdriver bit on it. So right now we got a drill bit in it. And let's make sure we have it in the drill setting. So the button on the back here, press and hold it. You can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and drill. So now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4 and the drill setting. Let that stop flashing. I'll show you we can turn the light on and off too. It's pretty cool. So press the button on the back here and you can see a little light bulb and the no light bulb. Pretty nifty. Let's see if I can drill a hole in my finger. No, let's not do that. Little 3D printed something or other right here. That first one already went through a hole that I already drilled. But that second one was a fresh hole. So let's unscrew the collet here. We'll take our drill bit out. And then we'll put that guy back in this little home right here. Listen. Click. There's another collet right there for the bigger bits. So we'll take the drill bit attachment collet off and pull that guy out. We'll set him aside right there. Then we'll grab us a let's grab us a Phillips bit right here. Put that guy right in there. It's a magnet. Now we need to set it to drill setting. So press and hold the button here. I mean the screwdriver setting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like your drill, you know, if you set it on a low setting, when the screw starts to get tight, it'll go click, 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 and you set it on the, you know, the highest setting, and then it'll torque the screw more. Let me find us a little Phillips screw to play with. All right, I got us an old servo, and it happens to have a Phillips screw right here in the middle of the horn. So we got on setting 1, remember? So pressing back unscrews it, and look, you can, and it shows you the direction here too. Oh, going out, screwing it in. So setting number 1. Let's see if it'll get the servo horn undone. Boy, it took it right out in setting number 1. And screwed it right back in. Not bad, not bad. What about these little tiny screws right here? Let's find a Phillips bit for that guy. We're going to have to maybe like right here. Not quite, not quite. Maybe this guy. That feels much better. In goes the tip. And it just brought it right on out. So this little thing is pretty cool. Let me show you how it charges and goes into this little home here. There'll be some coupon codes in the description, a link to their Amazon store, a link directly to their website. If you buy anything from their website using the link, then yours truly will get a little commission. And make sure you use the discount code in Amazon and or their website. Save you a couple bucks and help out yours truly here. You know, save their link. Every time you go to their website, Xcool's website, using the link in the description, then you're taking care of your old buddy here. So we put the collet back on. Let's put this guy in its home. It is spring loaded. See it pressing down right there. And then we'll snap it in. And now it made contact with the little pins right there. So when you're charging it, the USB-C will go through the case into the drill and charge the drill. We'll box this guy up. That way you'll see exactly what you'll get if you purchase one. So, like so. Get this little tool, get some tweezers, get your USB-C charging, get your directions. I think it's a pretty cool mini electronic precision screwdriver set. All kinds of mumbo jumbo. Like I said, guys, link in the description. Anytime you access their website using a link, then yours truly gets something. And coupon code to Amazon and coupon code to their website. You'll be helping your old buddy out. Hey, happy flying, guys. Until next time, you'll see me here. Bam!